ஐடிஎச் நிலைமை மிகவும் மோசமாக இருக்கு. நிறைய மக்கள் அதிகமாக பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறார்கள். கூரை மேல வீட்டுக்கு மேல நம்பி இருந்து எப்படியாவது வீடை தற்காத்துக் கொள்றதுக்காக ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. மீன ஒருத்தர் இருக்கிறார். இப்ப but you are really very appreciated. I'm very thankful to you. You are savage. Thank you so much, bro. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಎರವೇನವಾ ಎರವೇನವಾ ಇಸ್ತಾರ ಎರವೇನವಾ ಅಯ್ಯ ಬಾಲ ಮುಜೆ ಇಸ್ತಾರ ಅರ ಬೋಲ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ವೋಟ್ ತಗತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಬಾಂತಲ ಇನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ನೀನು ಅದರ ಬಾರ
ஆட்கள் இருக்கிறாங்க தெரியும். ஐடிஎச் கடும் பாதிப்புக்குள்ளா இருக்கு. இதான் நீ பார்க்கலாம். ஐடிஎச் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ரோத்தட்டுவ இவ்வளவு வீடுகள், எவ்வளவு பெருமதியான அதிகமான வீடுகள் பாதிப்புக்குள்ளா இருக்கு. நீர் வரத்து அதிகரிச்சு கொண்டேதான் இருக்கு, குறைஞ்ச பாடு இல்ல. பாருங்க எவ்வளவு வீடுகள். பட்ஜெட் ஃபார்ம்ல வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
මේක අල්ලන්න අයියෝගේ. මේක අල්ලන්න ඕ.
එතන මෙතන ගේට්ටුව කියලා කිව්වේ.
ඔව් ඒක අල්ලගන්න.
මේ ගණිකයි.
මේක වදියක් මේ ගාලියක් නෑ බා.
මේ බස්සනේ කරන් බෑ.
ඔව් ඉසිකල දාන්න. ඔව් හරියන්නේ නැත්නම්. මේ දැන් මේක යතුරුකෝ. කොහොමද දැන් අරින්න ඕනේ? මේ වතුරෙන් බහැලා තමයි යන්න වෙන්නේ. මේ වතුර දාන්න ඕනේ. මේ ගේට් වල දිනන මෙතන.
නෑ නෑ ධම්මා කියලා නැත නෑ.
සයින් තියෙනවා.
මොකද කරන්නේ?
ධම්මල වෙන්න ඕන.
ඒකට බලන්න. ඒකට බලන්න ධම්මලට පයින් දෙපන් කරලා වතුර දිනන කොටා.
අපි නම
මෙතන ඇතුලේ මොකුත් නැත් අයියේ. නෑ ගේට් මොකුත් නෑනේ.
නෑ ඒක මොකුත් නෑ.
කම්මේ ගෑප්පාර. මොකුත් නෑ.
නෑ
ඔය සාදේ දඟල බලන්න. උඩ දාගන්න. යමුරන්නේ. අදුකල මේකල දාන්නේ. අලු දාලා දෙන්න.
අන්න රයිට්.
අන්නම තල්ලු කරලා අල්ලම් මේ අර රියල් රුටින් බස්.
මේකත් ඇයිනවා. පොඩ්ඩක් අතින් පොඩි පුෂ් එකක් දීගෙන.
ඔව් අතින් ගන්න.
බුයිරේ
නෑ නෑ මට උන නෑ. ඒක ගන්න නෑමනේ ගන්න නෑ. ඔය ගන්න බයමුද? මේ වහලට පයින්ටු ගයි. වහලෙන් අරගෙන පයින්ටු පුවා. ඊට සෝලන් ගියා. පාරේට මෙතන බා. ඉතින් වහන්න වහල.
පහල උඩින් බඩටි දියා ගමනේ.
අන්න ඔය බට්ටි කොම් කියන්නේ.
මේ ගොඩ නම්
පත්තුනා අයි ගුල් ලතරයක් ගන්න ඕනේ බම්බොන්න මේ නාගල පත්තු කියලා පතෝටියක් ගා ගන්න ඕනේ අතන මිනිස්සු වතුර ඉන්නවා ඕගාර
අයිය මේ
මිනිස්සු දිනේ ආන්නේ දේවලා අත්තරම බලපයින්නවා ඕගා ඒ බම් ඔව් මගේ බයික් එක හදන්න දාලා තිබ්බා මෙතන එක මම ඌට පෙරේදක් කතා කරා මගේ ලොරිය දින ඉතින් ගිය ගාම ඉතින් බෑ උඩ ගිහින් කිව්වා ඒ යනවා පෙන්නනවා ඒ ගෝල වල කවදාද දාලා ගෝලක් දාලා මට අපේ
இதுதான் border, கடைசி border. இது வரைக்கும் வீடுகள் நிறைய வந்திருக்கு. நான் போட வந்து திருப்பி போறோம். உங்களுக்கு பார்க்கக்கூடியதாக இருக்கும். எந்த அளவுக்கு கடும் மோசமா அந்த ஊருக்கு பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கொள்ளுங்க. நீருடைய அதிகரிப்பு மிக வேகமா மோசமா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப அதிகரித்து கொண்டிருக்கு நீர். உங்களால் பார்க்கலாம். இவ்வளவு வீடுகள் பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு.
එලගේ පොටි අපිට අර වල වදිනවා දන්නෝ මාර්ගය ගන්න නම් අම්මා පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නේ
මේ තමයි මේ බෝට් එකේ නායකයා මේ මාර විදියට බෑල වැඩ කරනවා අයියේ නම මොකද්ද චාමර අයියේ කොහමද ගෙවල් කොහෙද ගෙවල් ගල්කිස්ස චාමර අයියාගේ වැඩ කොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ දකින්න ඇතයි right got the border பெரும் நிலப்பரப்பு பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு சொல்ல முடியாத அளவுக்கு
මේ වඩු ටිකක් තියෙනවා ඒ ටික බාගෙන අසල්කල් අවුල වඩු බාර ගන්නේ
අයි නෑ ඔව් ඔව් එන්න පලිනවා ඔය දෙන බය පොර බෑග් එකේ බේට් එක මනියෝ බයිනවා දැන් එනකොට පීලා වෙනකොට මම අනිත් එක දාගන්න නෑ පොඩි මල්ලියා. අර ඇස්ලා ඉන්න මම පාරේ ගෑනුවා අම්මලා ඔක්කොම වතුර දාලා ඉන්නට. අපේ මල්ලි කියලා මේත් කරා එන්න ගොඩන්නේ වතුර. අnder යන්න දෙන්න බෑ මෙතන දොර යන්න. හරිනේ. අද එන්සේ ගන්නවද? ආව ගන්න වයසක අම්මලා ටිකක් ඉන්නවා. හා? අසල් නෑ ගන්න බෑ අර මග කට්ටිය දාගන්න ඕනේ. ඒක වතුර ඉන්න බෑ. අටක් ඉන්න වගා ආදී. අන්න කරගන්න නෑ අනිත් එක ගන්න. පොල්ල දාන්න මේ පද්දකට. ඕක අනාරින්න එපා. තෑග්ගක් අපි යනවා පස්සේ. ලිස්ට් වල වැටේ. ඔය පොඩි කට්ටිය දෙන්න කවුරුහරි. පොඩි එකනවා දෙන්න. පොඩි අය දෙන්න. ඔබ මේ පැත්තට යන්න න්යා පැත්තට නේ මචං. හරි මේ
ඔව් කට්ටිය ගන්නවා.
අයි නිවිවාදී.
IDH நிலைமை மிகவும் மோசமா இருக்கு. நிறைய மக்கள் அதிகமாக பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறார்கள். கூரை மேல வீட்டுக்கு மேல நம்பி இருந்து எப்படியாவது உயிரை தற்காத்துக் கொள்றதுக்காக ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்காங்க. இங்க ஒருத்தர் இருக்கிறார் இப்ப. எல்லாம் போச்சு. जोखम प्रधान भाग नहीं जोखम प्रधान भाग पड़िगावत प्रधान 20 அடிக்கு மேல வந்திருக்கு. கொட்டிகாவத்துல பிரதான ரோடு கொட்டிகாவத்தில இருந்து IDH ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போற பிரதான ரோடு இது, மெயின் ரோடு, பஸ் போற ரோடு, இது எல்லாமே பாருங்க. கொட்டிகாவத்த நியூ டவுன் இது. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
We're on holiday.
Holiday?
Yes.
Initially, we was on holiday.
Okay. You're from?
We're from London,
London?
in the UK.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you feel this situation?
Yeah, it's terrible. It's very sad. Yesterday we drove from Kandy.
Uh-huh.
We were stuck in Kandy. for
How did
6
you
days.
came from Kandy here?
We drove our
drove
tuk-tuk.
Who's driver?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're
That's
driving.
right.
Yeah,
Good-
both
good-
of us.
Both
Your good
drive.
name?
Jordan.
Jordan, your name?
Katrina.
Katrina.
Yeah.
So what do you feel about Sri Lanka?
Yeah, it's terrible. We're very sad for your country.
Devastated for people.
Is this
Yeah.
first time or already you have been here?
Second time for
Your
me.
second time.
I was here in 2019.
19. So I think that season is a crisis, I think.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka crisis. So
Yeah.
what is the difference between this years?
It's much busier now.
Very busy.
lots more tourists.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a beautiful country. I really wanted to come back. That's why I brought my husband back with me this time. Last time I was here with friends.
Okay.
We're just really sad for you that this has happened. So we came to Colombo to volunteer
Mhm.
and help do some rescues in the boats
Okay.
to try and help where
So
we can.
what do you feel your first time this is you are visiting here?
It's a stunning country. The people are so friendly, helpful, and it's just so sad that what's happened, the cyclone coming through has just caused so much devastation for the people. So many, obviously, lives have been lost and villages flooded, still underwater. That's why we're here in this location now, because we're currently waiting for a boat to go out and try and get some supplies to people and bring them to the dry areas if they want to come.
Mhm. So why are you in BA here? Why did you here?
So
This is a fruited area. I
Yeah.
hope you know well.
Yeah.
So why did you here?
To help.
Help.
To help.
Yeah, so our
We're
tuk-tuk
here.
company, the tuk-tuk company,
Tuk-tuk rental.
tuk-tuk rental,
Okay.
who we've rented our tuk-tuk from,
Uh-huh.
on their social media, they asked for anyone who could volunteer and help.
So what kind of help you are going to do?
We're going to go on the
Go
boats.
in the boats rescue. Last night we were packing in the
in the warehouse, packing the food
supplies, water supplies.
medicines.
Have you any rations or something here?
Yeah,
We've got them
Lots down there.
We've got the water here.
Water and
life jackets.
Life jackets. And stuff. So
Yeah.
super good.
we're
Good. I
just
appreciate.
waiting on the boat to come, and then we'll be heading out onto the water to try and help.
So how many days will you be here?
We're in Sri Lanka for 3 weeks.
Total 3 weeks.
Next 3 weeks.
No.
1.5 more weeks. 1.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost 10 days. So
Yeah.
10 more days.
Okay. Really, very thank you so much for your service and
Pleasure.
kind.
It's the least we can do.
Yeah. And
So-
obviously, if anyone does have boats or things that they can do to help, please get involved, because there's lots of people that still need help.
Yeah.
The water level is really high, up to 10 feet still in this area just down here. So
I think
Yeah.
there are some areas where everything's dry and you don't realise that there are such floods like this in other areas. So it's really important that everyone pulls together and helps, I think.
Thank you so much. I don't have words about your service and everything.
No,
thanks,
it's
A
our
lot of people
pleasure.
are coming and going and watching, and this is a beautiful country. So.
It is a
But
beautiful country.
you are really very appreciated. I'm
thank
very
you.
thankful to you.
It's the least we
Your
can do.
service. Thank you so much, bro.
no worries.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All
Thank you so
right,
much.
thank you.
Shall we go? We'll be able to go.
ஸோ மனித ரூபத்தில் 2 வெள்ளைக்காரர்கள் இலங்கைக்கு சுற்றுலா வந்திருக்கிறாங்க. இந்த நாட்டு சுச்சுவேஷனை பார்த்த உடனே அவங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணு சொல்லிட்டு இறங்கிட்டாங்க. இதுதான் மனிதாபிமானம், இதுதான் மனித நேயம். இதை நான் கற்றுக்கொள்ளணும். எங்கள் நாட்டை யாரும் செய்யணும்னு சொல்லி இல்லை, செய்கிறாங்க. இதை பாருங்க, இவரெல்லாம் தன்னார்வமாக வந்து செய்துட்டு போகிறாரு. அவர் சொந்த வாகனத்தை கொண்டு வந்து போர்டை கொண்டு வந்து இறக்கி செஞ்சுட்டு போகிறாங்க. இது நல்ல உள்ளங்கள் வாழக்கூடிய ஒரு அருமையான தேசம் இது. இந்த அளவுக்கு எங்களுடைய நாட்டில் இந்த நேரத்தில் ரொம்ப உதவி தேவைப்படுது.